Is Windows failing to load because of the VGA Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start fixing VGA library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the VGA library, the VGA Display Driver core, a legacy unmanaged module that manages basic 640x480 graphics orchestration. It serves as the emergency fallback data link for visual manifests when high-level drivers fail to initialize. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. VJ is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including VGA library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of VGA library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for VGA library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve VGA library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.